Yo, money warriors! Ever wondered if you should pick individual stocks or just chill with index funds? Today, we're breaking it down so your wallet stays happy. Let's go. Individual stocks are high stakes. If they win, you win big. But if they stumble? Ouch. It takes gut checking and lots of homework. Index funds are the whole team. You own a slice of hundreds of companies. It's safer, steadier, and lets you sleep like a baby. Diversification is the secret sauce. By spreading your bets, you minimize the damage. It's about balance, not just luck. Most pros say, funds for your base, stocks for flavor. Balanced, like a good meditation. Your wallet will thank you. Hit follow for more Zen tips. Peace out, money warriors. By the end of this video, you'll know the difference between index funds and stocks and a simple plan to start investing with just $50. Index funds are baskets of companies, while stocks are individual bets. I'll share my own wallet mistakes so you don't have to repeat them. Diversified funds offer steady, long-term growth. Just pick one low-cost fund and contribute monthly. Even $50 builds a mountain over time. My biggest mistake was waiting for the perfect moment. In the market, time is more valuable than timing. Stop waiting, start growing. Your future self will thank you for the peace of mind. First up, what are we even talking about? Individual stocks, buying a slice of one company. Think Apple, Tesla, or Nike. Big wins if the company grows, big losses if it dips. Index funds, buying a basket of hundreds or thousands of companies at once. Most popular? S&P 500, historically grows about 10% a year. Example, $1,000 in the S&P 500 in 2013 leads to about $2,590 in 2023. That's double your money without picking a single stock. Let it chill, let it grow.
Welcome to a lesson in balance. In 2020, I took a gamble that taught me more about peace than any meditation. I threw $500 at Tesla. For a few months, it was pure excitement. My investment shot up to $1,000, woo! But then bam! The market dipped, and I was left with just $600. It was a roller coaster of stress and monitoring charts. But then I looked at the alternative. What if I had chosen the path of the index fund instead? That same $500 spread across a diversified index fund would likely be worth over $1,000 today. No jumps, no drops, just steady growth over a few years with way less stress. Individual stocks are like a wild roller coaster. Index funds are a calm river cruise. One leaves you breathless, the other brings you home. Choose the path that guards your peace of mind as much as your wallet. Stay balanced, my friends. Welcome, seeker of wealth. Today, I reveal your greatest financial superpower, time. Imagine starting your journey at 16. Even $50 a month can grow into something legendary thanks to compound interest. Investing $50 monthly into the S&P 500 at a 10% return can result in $10,000 by age 26. Wait until you're older, and you'll need significantly more cash just to catch up to your younger self. The secret isn't picking the perfect stock. It's the sheer duration of your patience. Money loves patience, not panic. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. $50 a month to $10,000 in 10 years. The math is simple, but the impact is massive. Start early and win. Your future self is waiting. Will you start today? Greetings. Let us cultivate your financial garden. Here are 4 simple steps to start your investment journey today. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. It is the soil for your future wealth. Some apps even let you start with just $1. Step 2. Decide your split. Balance is key to a peaceful portfolio. For example, if you have $100 a month, put $80 into an S&P 500 ETF for stability and $20 into a stock you personally like. Diversify your energy and your assets. Step 3. Automate it. Set your contributions to repeat. Your money grows silently in the background while you binge TikTok. Step 4. Don't panic. The market breathes. Stocks fluctuate. But your focus must remain steady like a mountain. Think long-term like planting a money tree. You wouldn't dig it up every time a leaf falls, would you? Let it grow. Stay calm, stay invested. Your future self will thank you for the shade you plant today. Chill and watch it grow. Hey everyone, ready to build some future wealth? Here are some pro tips for teen investing. Pro tips: diversify. Don't put all your cash in just one stock. It's about spreading your risk. Start small, think big. Even $50 to $100 a month is more than enough to get the ball rolling. Reinvest your dividends. Let them work their magic to multiply your wealth over time. Learn by doing. Making tiny mistakes now will lead to huge wins later in life. For example, I bought AMC during the 2021 hype and lost $50. It was a painful lesson, but that taught me the most important thing. Hype is never a real strategy. Start your investing journey today and stay zen. See you next time. Welcome to the path of financial peace. Today, I will share a secret cheat code for your wealth journey. Whether you seek serenity or a bit of excitement, there is a strategic way for you to build your future. Cheat code. If you want to stay chill and hate stress, put your focus into index funds. Simple, steady growth. But if you are a thrill seeker, you can dabble in individual stocks. Just keep it to a 20% maximum. The real secret isn't just how much you risk, but when you start. Even $20 a month beats zero for 5 years. Consistency is your greatest ally. Remember, investing isn't a race. It's a monk-style stroll to wealth. Take that first step today. Peace and prosperity are within your reach. Start your stroll now. Greetings, money warriors. The path to financial freedom begins with a single, mindful step. When you master your mindset, you master your destiny. Every investment today is a seed for your future. Money warriors, if this video leveled up your brain, hit like, smash subscribe, and comment which stock or index fund will you start with first. Share this with friends. Let's grow together. Remember, even small steps today, mountains of money tomorrow. Stay cool, stay calm, and keep stacking that cash.